Hi all, this is Priyadharshini working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to see about the lecture series on big data. Let's get started. So what is big data? Big data, as we know, it is a collection of data sets that are large and complex in nature. Or we can say big data which is large in volume and difficult to process and store. Big data can be analyzed for insights that lead to better decisions and strategic business moves. Big data mainly constitute of two things: semi-structured and unstructured data. The data that grows large so fast that they cannot be accessed by or managed by even the traditional relational database system or the conventional tools. So what are the sources of big data? The sources of big data being social networking, as we all know, that constitutes of the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram accounts, or the sensors used in aircrafts, cars, industrial machines, space technology, CCTV footage, etc. The data that is created by aviation, railway, shipping, etc., that is by the transportation services, or the online shopping portals such as Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Alibaba, etc., and even by mobile apps such as WhatsApp, Google, Hangout, Hike, all those things. And also the data is being created by different firms like educational institutes, banks, hospitals, software companies. So these are the sources of big data. So let us look into the characteristics of big data. So when we take the characteristics of big data, there are three V's. The first V being volume. So it handles data in terabytes, zettabyte, or even petabytes. The velocity, the data which is growing very fast, that gives challenges in storing and processing. The variety being three things: structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. Structured data is in the form of rows and tables. Unstructured data will be in the form of videos, audios, images, text, the data that is being produced by video, audio, images, text, etc. And the semi-structured data which constitutes about the logs or files. So what is analytics? So it is a process to take the data, then apply some mathematical and statistical algorithms or tools to build some model. This model will be predictive and exploratory, which is having information that allows us to get insights and also allows us to take action on them. So this is a diagrammatic representation of using a data. We will be applying it some mathematical and statistical analysis or the tools used to build some model, and then this will be predictive and explanatory, which is we having information and gets insights on the complex issues and allows us to take the further action for our business. So let us see what are the types of analytics. So the types of analytics will be handling by four things. One is descriptive. The descriptive analytics questions us what happened on the past. The diagnostic analytics helps us to answer the question, why did it happen? Predictive, what is likely to happen? Prescriptive, what should I do about it? So tools of analytics. Most used statistical programming tools for big data are IBM SPSS, SAS, SATA, or MATLAB. So rest of the tools except R are commercial and very expensive. R and MATLAB has most comprehensive support of statistical functions. R is most popular among Yahoo, Google, etc. Big data analytics. So what is big data analytics? When we analyze big data, then that analytics is called big data analytics. Basically, it is a process of collecting, organizing and analyzing the data to discover pattern and other useful information that allows us to take proper action. So the challenges being faced by big data would be the traditional RDBMS can fail to use big data. Big data cannot fit in a single computer system. It cannot process big data cannot be processed in a single computer, which will take a huge amount of time. Through traditional analytics, it would be costly to analyze big data. Scaling of big data through traditional RDBMS will also be very expensive. So big data analytics tools and technologies. So the first is Hadoop. So the solution for the major challenges faced by the big data analytics is Hadoop. So Hadoop is an open source framework where we can analyze the data cheaper and faster with a cluster of commodity hardware. It provides massive storage for any kind of data with enormous processing power. The two components in Hadoop are HDFS and map and reduce. HDFS, it is a Java-based scalable that stores data across multiple machines without prior organization. Map and reduce, it is a software programming tool for processing large sets of data in parallel or distributed manner.